You may be wondering, I've only ever sourced products to sell from Arbitrage. Is going to the Canton Fair in China a good next step? Absolutely. Being good at arbitrage means that you have your thumb on the pulse of what customers want. Sourcing direct can give you access to the exact products you are already sourcing and also to ones that are even better. Using your experience, you'll be able to source products for less than the best clearance prices, and you'll already know all about what the customer wants and price points. For example, Milas, our trip director, found the factory that produced one of his best-selling products from TJ Maxx. He was able to order a nicer version of it for less than he originally paid at TJ Maxx. Consider our 8-month-long program on importing from China, which includes a trip to the Canton Fair in April. It's a great next step for an experienced arbitrager. Sign up for more information.